Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation of version controlling system by Group 9, which consists of Abhishek Pandey, Swapnil Sharma and Naman Gupta. Our project for this subject is a clean and maintainable VCS implementation. What we mean by clean and maintainable is that it would be written in a collection of high-level languages, mostly Python, and defaulting to NIM for speed reasons. So first of all, let us look through what is a VCS. A VCS stands for Version Control System, which is a repository of files, often the files for the source code of computer programs. So what a VCS does, a VCS tracks every change made to the source along with who made the change, when it was made, which files were modified during the change in the snapshot. So let's look through the basic features our VCS will include. It will maintain a snapshot of the state of the project at every particular commit. It will also provide you with an access to every snapshot of the project. It will also enable you to roll back changes to a previous release if any further changes introduced bugs or any other undesirable behavior. Storing data as snapshots of the project over time. So this is a graph which shows you how different files can change between different versions. Like here there was a file A, B, C in version 1, then we went to A1B, C1, then A1B, C2. There are changes like A1, A2, A2 are different incarnations of file A. So every version contains complete information about the file from that particular version. Let's look at the basic features again. We will also provide the ability to share projects with the entire history. So if you push and someone pulls that repo, they will have the entirely same project. There will also be ability to merge change sets from different instances. So different instances of a repo in different states of time can be merged together. We will also provide support for tagging and branching. So how the workflow will look like? See, here you can easily look at the workflow. Your local repository consists of 3 trees maintained by the VCS. The first is your working directory where you are in currently. The second one is the index, which contains staged changes which have been added to the index but not yet committed. Even if you add something to the index, it is saved. Branches are used to develop features isolated from one another. For example, there can be a master branch, then you can have a bug number 34306 branch where the changes made to the code won't affect development on master. So you can keep on developing master and one particular person can work on eradicating bug fixes. A DVCS works on a decentralized model. Unlike SVN or other version control softwares that came before Subversion, within a decentralized model, there is no central repository. Every repository is central repository with complete copy of the project. So even if you do not have access to the centralized repository, you can commit all your changes offline and then push to the main repo whenever you feel free. So everyone can work independently. You don't need to commit every single time to the central repo. What is the motivation to create a VCS in collection of high-level languages? First of all, the implementation would be clean, so it would easily invite more and more people to contribute and tinker. There would be a rich API based on monkey patching in Python to extend the VCS, and we also provide useful abstractions so the user can override particular behavior. There would be a highly advanced plugin architecture. We will use probably TOML to provide init configuration instead of other formats. TOML is very easy to parse and easy to read. Novice users will also find it easy to modify behavior. Initially it would be based on Linux and we will try to make it cross-platform, but depend on how Windows support goes. We can't make any guarantees. We'll support both Unix style command line options as well GNU style long options. So that was it, folks. Goodbye from Group 9. Thank you.